Mom! 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 What? Mom! 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 Mom!
So it's 5:15 in the morning. So now here we are at BTC 30 minutes drive. We're going to add this indicator called gains algo V2 alpha. This one. And after that we are going to start our train. And now we're going to wait for gains algo V2 alpha to give us any signals. Signal, and now we are going to put a decision here for 2,000 units.